For this task, you'll need Microsoft Office PowerPoint software, and for your computer, you need to have a sound card. These are built in. Speakers and mic. Now, if you don't have built-in speakers and mics, you'll have to purchase a external one. These can be found at Walmart for about $25. Or perhaps you have something that goes with one of your smartphone with that has a speaker and mic device. Okay, here are your options. You can upload an existing audio file, and basically you would just go to the slide to upload it as you would any other type of document when you're uploading from your PC. Or you can record an entire presentation over every slide. Now, for beginners, I would suggest you use recording only particular slides because you might make some mistakes. If you already have audio that you recorded, you can add it to your PowerPoint by going to the Insert tab, then selecting the audio icon under Media, and this will give you a drop-down called Audio on my PC. Search for the file and then add it. It will pop up on the screen, and you can actually move it around if you want, and you can adjust the audio volume as well. To make a narration, go to the Insert tab in PowerPoint and then select the Media button with the icon for audio. You'll get a drop-down menu. It will say Record Audio. Once you select that, a pop-up window will display and say Record Sound. You just select the red button to record and then blue to stop or pause, and OK when you're done. Once you have your recording, you'll see a gray icon for the audio. Right-click on that and you'll see two pop-up windows. The one below shows the trim option. Select that, and then you'll get this other pop-up window with the duration of the audio, and the red and green ends are sliders. You can move those to trim the recording, and make sure you listen to it so you don't edit something you don't want to. Let me know if you need any help. I wish you the best of luck in making your narrated PowerPoint presentation.